Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is going to be a day in my life as a part-time paraprofessional and a full-time mom. So let's get into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below any videos you want me to next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. Let's get started. So today I woke up at 6. It's like 6:32 now. I laid in bed for a good 20 minutes or so before I went to the bathroom, brushed my teeth, used the bathroom and everything like that. So now I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna make some yogurt. This is the first time I'm gonna do this because usually I really don't eat breakfast, and my schedule has kind of changed from the last time I've done like day in my life back to work edition. I usually wake up at 6:30 now, and I try to get my baby ready by about 7:20 to give her to her grandparents, my in-laws, because I have to take public transportation, so I have to walk to the bus stop, and it takes me about less than 20 minutes to do so, probably around like 15 or less. And then I get to school really early now. I get to the school like around 8. And the kids don't come in till like 8:45, so I'm just chilling there. Usually I read a book and stuff. So yeah, this is a yogurt, Daddy's whole plain yogurt. I never tried this before. I usually get the another yogurt, so I'm just gonna do a little plop of yogurt at the bottom. Get some granola. We got the vanilla almond granola. Not me not ripping it correctly. The usual schedule, I get back 12:30 to 1. It's crazy. I had to cut so much. Anyways, so hopefully the baby wakes up soon so I don't have to wake her up, because I feel bad waking her up. Like a couple times I had to actually wake her up. But the other times I just have to call her name and then she wakes up. So hopefully today we don't have to do too much to wake her up. And it's almost the end of the year, so it's gonna probably go by really slow the last couple of days. I used to work with kindergarten, first and second, which was a mixed class, and it was a special education classroom. And just recently they have switched me over to pre-K, so it's an all-inclusion classroom. So yeah, I don't know which one I like better, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be there for the rest of the year, but I'm pretty sure I am. For now, let's see when I get to school, because I never know where I'm gonna go. Usually it's the same thing every day, but you never know. So here is my yogurt. I'm gonna start eating. Because the time goes by really fast, so I'll see you upstairs. So I organized the dresser a little bit because it got messy, and now I'm gonna spray my earring at the top, my cartilage piercing, which is also known as a flat, that I did not know, but we are going to spray that. I just got that recently. Let me tell you guys, it was like a 7 out of 8 pain, and I have a very high pain tolerance, but when that needle went through my ear, I was like, oh my goodness. Like, you felt that sting, and then your ear felt numb for a while. It was just so crazy, but I got it done. I've always wanted it ever since I gotten my last piercing, my 5th piercing. I got that when I turned 21, I believe. And yeah, so I've always wanted the cartilage and the tragus. I didn't get the tragus that time. Luckily I didn't, because imagine not sleeping on both ears. But now I can sleep on this ear, but I shouldn't. But next time I'll get this one when this is all healed up. I wanted it to be a needle, and that's what I did. And so yeah, don't do it with a gun. because you could break some bone up there. So yeah, I'm gonna spray the spray and get ready, get my outfit together. So I woke her up, I changed her diaper, she drank her milk. She drinks 7 ounces of milk now. She drinks 3 bottles a day and 3 meals a day, so that's what works for us. So she's gonna have breakfast with grandma and grandpa. Are you okay? You're choking on your saliva? But yeah, she really wants to be in the video. She's just jumping for joy. I'm about to head to work now. This is my outfit. I have my Nike sweater on, my Baggu bag. This is the Crescent bag, I believe. Then I got regular leggings on. I got Aritzia socks and my New Balances. So yeah, that is my outfit. Now if I can show you guys the whole outfit. Let's head to work. It's kind of cool this morning. It's like 50 something degrees at the moment. It's gonna be 70 something. But it has been raining, so I'm lucky that it's not raining anymore. I should have worn a long sleeve though, but I'm gonna put my hoodie on while I walk to the bus stop. So yeah. And look at that. My fault for changing my bag this morning, and I forgot my ID. And I'm walking here like, yep, not walking back. I'll just have to tell the secretary that I left my ID. But it should be fine. I'm at the bus stop. Let's see how long the bus takes. Should be coming in like about 10 minutes, So I am off the bus. It was just like a 2-minute bus ride. Now I'm walking to the school, and yes, I have a mask on. Public transportation and schools, mask, because people be crazy out here. So yeah, I should take it off and let myself breathe for the next 5 minutes, but I just walk with it on. It's kind of cool out. I'm in the pre-K, gotta bring down all these chairs and wipe down the tables, and then wait for the teacher and her assistant to come in, and then we'll get the kids. I'm in the bathroom. I had to take a little break. I used the bathroom obviously, but I took a break because those kids are just throwing things all over the place. They are wild. Like me, the teacher, and her assistant are just over. We're just like, we got a few more days left. I'm back home. It's like 12 something. Probably almost 1. Got some packages, so let's open them up. I haven't ordered from Amazon in like a little bit. Let's see what we got here. First we got a Miss Rachel coloring book for my baby. In the summer I'm gonna teach her how to write, color, all that jazz. So at least this will keep her entertained. So since she got a coloring book, she had to get crayons as well. So I got these crayons, taller crayons. They're jumbo, so that would be really cute. I can't wait to do a vlog, a summer day in my life vlog. Show you guys. I got workout bands. This girl's gonna be working out this summer too, so should I have been working out already before summer? Yes, but summer is when I got the time, so we are going to be working out. Got some bands, resistance bands, and then let's see what's in here. What's in here? Oh, okay. So I want to wear all gold jewelry for my fiance's graduation, so I got some earrings to put all up on my ears. So he got that. I I got bows for the baby because she don't like headbands and stuff like that. So I want to see if I could put these little clip-on bows to make her a little bit more girly, you know. So, and then tomorrow I actually got like a set which comes with a pair of shorts, t-shirt, pants, and like a one sleeve kind of set. I'm gonna put a picture on the side, but it's really cute. But yeah, that's everything I got from Amazon. So let's go take a shower before she wakes up. She's taking a nap right now, so yeah, we're gonna eat some lunch. Hopefully she'll still be sleeping. So for lunch, I'm heating up in the air fryer 2 kinds of samosas. I'm eating chicken samosas and potato and pea samosas. So let's see how the potato and pea one tastes like, because I haven't tried that one, but the chicken one is really good. And I got some emergency in here, so I'm gonna put some water in here. Gotta stay with that vitamin C levels up. But yeah, so I wasn't able to eat my lunch without her, so she woke up. So she's drinking her pouch. It's right there, and I'm gonna eat. Hopefully I didn't burn them junks. Oh, perfect. Look at those. Okay, let's take them out. These are the chicken ones. I see. Are you gonna say airplane again? Now it's bath time. Fill up the water. Kind of hot. Let's put it back. I got my setup. I got her towel, the Freedom, I forgot what this is called, and her soap. We used the Baby Dove sensitive skin one, because I heard that the Johnson & Johnson one, she used to use that when she was a baby, and I heard that with her hair, well, supposedly with kids' hair, it falls out and stuff. So I was scared about that because, you know, I didn't want her to be losing hair like that. So I stopped using that, and then I started using that. And it's been working. I haven't seen her hair shed in a while, like since she was little. So I don't know if that was just a newborn type thing or what it was, but yeah. She don't like wearing headbands, but I put this bow on her. She doesn't really realize it though. Not me not recording dinner. So literally mom life, that I forgot that I was recording because I was entertaining the baby and playing with her and trying to get her to nap, but she didn't nap her second time. And so I was just entertaining her and stuff. And then little did you know, it was almost 6 o'clock to cook dinner. So then I cooked dinner real quick for us. I went super fast yesterday. So yeah, that was all. Oh, also I did read like 10 pages yesterday of Honest May Sunshine. Yesterday I did read Death Row by Frida, her short story, and I think that could have been like a whole book. It was pretty good, but I was left confused. So let me know if you guys have read that short story, because I definitely need answers to that. I was really confused at the end. Maybe I need to read it again to see my thoughts or read reviews, but let me know if you guys read it. But that was everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.